Wall Street charged ahead on Thursday, with the S&P 500 hitting another record closing high on increasing optimism about Federal Reserve rate cuts this year. The Dow gained more than 0.3%, while the S&P 500 climbed 1% and the Nasdaq surged 1.5%. On day 2 of his Capitol Hill testimony, Fed Chair Jerome Powell told a Senate committee that the central bank is nearly confident that inflation will decline to its 2% annual target. Thomas Martin is Senior Portfolio Manager at Globalt Investments.
So the sentiment today is mostly Powell's testimony before Congress, both yesterday and then the Senate today, and his comments, which were really more reassuring that the rate cuts were going to happen this year. And I think that there had been some question as to his resolve on that.
Investors piled into chip stocks, with the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index outperforming the broader market to finish up 3.4% at a record closing high. AI chip darling NVIDIA gained 4.5%. Also powering the Nasdaq, Meta Platforms, which gained more than 3%. In other company news, shares of lingerie retailer Victoria's Secret plunged nearly 30% on a weak annual forecast. And Kroger shares rallied roughly 10% after the grocer forecast annual sales and profit above Wall Street estimates. Friday brings the Labor Department's key non-farm payrolls report, which should offer further clues on the direction of Fed policy.